In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Google Drive storage. If you've been paying for extra storage in Google Drive, that's actually managed through Google One. So when you cancel, you're canceling your Google One subscription, which stops future renewals of that extra storage. We'll do this on a computer using Chrome. Start by opening your browser and going to one.google.com. Sign in with the Google account that has the storage plan. If you use more than one Google account, double-check the profile picture or initial in the top right to make sure you're in the correct account. If it's not the right one, switch to the account tied to your storage before moving on. Once you're on the Google One homepage, look at the left-hand side for the menu. Click Settings, the option with the gear icon. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see settings clearly. Inside Settings, find the option that says Cancel Membership and click it. A confirmation screen will appear explaining what canceling means. Read it over so you know exactly what will change. When you're ready, confirm by selecting Cancel. You should see a confirmation that your membership won't renew. Here's what happens next. Your current plan remains active until the end of your billing period. That means you'll keep your extra storage and all related benefits until that date. After the billing period ends, your subscription stops renewing and your account reverts to the free storage that comes with Google. Your files stay in your account, but if you're over the free limit once the plan ends, some features may be limited until you clear space, such as uploading new files or creating fresh Drive backups. Because Google storage is shared across Drive, Gmail, and Photos, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your total usage. A quick tip if you want to stop future payments but still keep the space for a while. Cancel now and continue using your storage normally until your billing period ends. You're not losing anything you've already paid for, and you'll have time to tidy up your files or move content if needed. You can usually see your renewal or end date right on the Google One page, which helps you plan. That's all you need to do. Go to one.google.com, sign in to the correct account, open Settings, choose Cancel Membership, and confirm. Simple, clear, and effective. If you change your mind later, you can always come back to Google One and resubscribe to a plan that fits your needs.